Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to staple paper without a stapler. This will be a super easy tutorial and also a complete and full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this sheet of paper, or I should say these sheets of paper. There are multiple here, and we're going to show you how to staple them. So what you want to do is take the top corner, and I like to take the top left corner because that's usually where I would staple. And you want to take the top left corner of all of the sheets that you want to staple together and fold it inwards. So fold it to the front like this in a triangular shape and just give it a nice, really nice crease just like that. So now that you've folded it and creased it really nicely, what you want to do is you want to take the inner portion and you want to tear off two little lines on the inner portion of this little triangle. So I'm going to tear off one line just like that, not all the way, just a little bit, as you can see right there, and then also another line just like that. So make them somewhat close together. So as you can see right there, I now have this little flap that I've torn off. Now this triangular portion is folded forward. So we're going to take the flap, okay, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to fold it backwards. So I'm going to take the flap and I'm going to fold it backwards like that, okay? Just like that. So what we've done is we've created this little staple section of the paper without actually using a stapler. Now what we can do is we can open up the papers and they're not going to come apart. I mean, it's really difficult for them to come apart. Okay, as you can see right here, this is folded forward and the inner portion is folded backwards. And yes, that is unfortunately the blood from my finger because my finger cracked, the skin on my finger cracked, and I have yet to put a Band-Aid on it. So sorry about that, but anyways, basically this is how you keep sheets of paper together without a stapler. You can see, like I said, I can sort of open them up and I can sort of, it's really difficult for them to come apart, okay? That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.